welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Vanessa, and today we're gonna be filming some what I eat in a day video. This is gonna be like super simple. I honestly am not a good cook, if you guys have seen my previous videos. So whatever I make, you guys can probably recreate it better than I make it. These are just some things that I'm gonna be just whipping up as I go along. They're gonna be relatively on the healthier side. I'm not trying to copy anyone's diet today. I'm just gonna simply show you guys what I eat when I feel like I wanna be somewhat healthy. So let's just get to it. So it is currently time for some breakfast. I am gonna start off with some toast. We're gonna be making tomato cream cheese toast. I've never made that before, but I've seen like videos on TikTok where they make like cream cheese toasts with like heirloom tomatoes. I don't have that, so we're just gonna use whatever tomatoes I got here and then just pop them on to the cream cheese toast.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we did.
It's my little breakfast. Oh my god, I really hope I don't. It's my little breakfast. Let's see if it tastes good. It looks pretty good, I feel. It's good. I honestly didn't know how to feel about like the olive oil with the cream cheese, but this is good. Very good.
Just as does, so baby, bye. It's for the best, and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it up, we had its time.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys know what lihing is, but it's basically like this powdery thing that Hawaii is known for. And my friend actually recently visited Hawaii and she brought me some powders of lihing. So I think I'm gonna mix that into these gummies. Yeah, I'm gonna try to like pour that powder in here, but last time I tried it, I failed because I think I put in too much. So I'm gonna put in like the tiniest bit in here and see if that works. I really hope it does, because last time it was like way too salty, so wish me luck. Come join me as I try to make some lihing candies. So this is the lihing powder. I'm like sweating. I feel like it's way too hot in this house and it's gloomy out today. I don't know what's going on. I just sweat a lot. So annoying. Like this. Is it focused? Yeah, this is lihing. Oh, I feel like even that is a lot. I wouldn't do like that much. I'm so terrified. Okay, I shouldn't be jumping because I'm already sweating, but honestly guys, like that little, like that tiniest bit made a world of a change in this package because it tastes good. Like, that tastes good. I can taste the Li Hing. Is anyone watching this and being like, oh my god, you're so stupid, like you're supposed to add more? And if that was enough for you, like you don't know how to enjoy Li Hing? But fuck it, I like it. It's good. I love this. I think sour candies are like my favorite. Sour gummies. So good. Wow. Wow. Shout out to my girl, April, for bringing these powders back. Like, this is so good. I'm just gonna munch on this like all day. Those little specks make it like yummy and salty. Okay, it's time for some lunch, and these are the only ingredients that I'll be using because I'm making a salad. This is going to be super simple, super easy. I'm just gonna place the salad onto the plate, drizzle some of that Italian dressing. I freaking love this, man. I honestly didn't know that Korea had this, but they got some Italian dressing, so I'm happy. And add some capers. I really want to say capers, but what if it's capers? Capers doesn't sound right. Oh man. I honestly feel like I lack knowledge like all the time, but I never do anything about it like to fix that. I could easily get on Google right now and just like type this and have it pronounce it to me, but I can't be bothered. So y'all know what I'm talking about. This, you gotta have that with like the smoked salmon. I feel you gotta have it with the smoked salmon. Oh my god, it's dripping. Ugh. I had to like defrost it because you're supposed to keep this in the freezer. Gonna quickly whip up this salad and get to eating.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like. About you I like.
Bone apple teeth, you guys. I mean, like, I don't really see it being bad. It's just freaking salad. That was like the easiest meal I've ever made, I think. Like there was really no cooking involved. You guys have no idea how excited I am about the salmon. Like, it's actually really good. And oh my god, you guys are tilted. Is it better? I don't know. But yeah, the salmon is really good. I was really worried that it was gonna be like fishy and not smoked at all, but it's hella smoky, tastes super good. I think I'm gonna buy this again and then maybe make like a lox bagel because that's one of my favorite bagels.
About you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
And guess what, you guys? It is time for dinner. Even though it looks really like bright outside, it is dinner time, and I do like to eat my dinner early. I am gonna get to cooking, but before I do that though, have you guys watched Stranger Things season 4? Because I literally killed it in 2 days. Like, I'm just so excited for part 2. That's all I'm gonna say. Actually, that is not the only thing that I want to say. Part one was like, it was a little bit slow. I felt like everything was moving a little bit slow, but maybe it was because they needed to like separate it into like two parts. So maybe that's why. But I swear, you guys, I knew what was gonna happen. Like, I knew. Like, okay, I sound kind of like annoying, but I could guess like in the beginning of the season of like how this new like villain came to life. I just had a feeling, and my guess was like 95% correct. I'm not gonna spoil anything for you guys, but yeah, if you guys haven't watched it yet, hop on it, watch it, because Stranger Things. What are you waiting for? Other than that, I really haven't done much today. I mean, it's really gloomy out, and if you guys know me, like, I get really affected by the weather a lot, and I don't feel as motivated to do anything when it's gloomy out. I need to fix that little by little, but yeah, so maybe later I'll read a bit, but yeah, I don't have much going on today other than just cooking and filming and eating. So yeah, as you guys can see, I have changed. Yeah, that's just my attire now, just baggy shirts. That's it. Honestly, these are so comfortable. And like, this is my PJ. I mean, whatever the fuck I was wearing before it, like, doesn't really have a difference between what I am wearing right now. But yeah, that's kind of my wardrobe. It's comfy. I like it. I'm a little bit sleepy right now, but I should get up and make my food, eat it. Let's go cook some dinner.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it.
Okay, I don't know what it is about this bathroom lighting, but I thoroughly enjoy filming in here. Even though it echoes a little bit, I just feel like I look better in this lighting, especially at night. I don't know, that might be my personal opinion. That was what I ate today. I enjoyed all of my meals. They were very simple, I feel like. And, you know, it was relatively on the healthier end, which I'm happy about. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. I feel like I don't do that enough, like, you know, put a reminder. But if you guys can, or if you guys want to, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will love you forever. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.